In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Visa gift card to Dhgate account. If you've tried using a Visa gift card on Dhgate, you've probably noticed it doesn't always go through directly. The simplest workaround is to convert that gift card balance into a payment method Dhgate does accept, then use it like a standard card at checkout. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that, along with tips to avoid declines. First, use your Visa gift card to buy a prepaid debit card or a virtual card that Dhgate accepts, ideally a fully verified Visa or MasterCard with international support. Look for reputable digital marketplaces or issuers and read the product details carefully. You want a card that explicitly supports online purchases with global merchants, not just domestic use. Check for fees, minimum loads, and any regional restrictions. If the issuer lets you register a billing address, complete that step right away. This will be important later. Activate the card, note the available balance, and keep a small cushion for currency conversion or processing fees so your payment doesn't fail for being a few cents short. Next, make sure the new card supports 3D Secure, often called OTP or one-time passcode verification. Dhgate frequently requires this extra security step, and cards without 3D Secure will usually decline. Confirm how you'll receive the code by SMS, email, or in an app, and ensure you can access it instantly at checkout. If there's a toggle to enable international or online transactions in the issuer's portal, turn it on before you head to Dhgate. Now you're ready to pay on Dhgate. At checkout, choose the standard credit or debit card option and enter the new card's number, expiration date, and security code. Type the cardholder name exactly as the issuer shows it. When it asks for billing details, use the address registered with the card. A mismatch here is a common reason for declines. Make sure your order total, including shipping, tax, and any fees, is less than the card's balance. Dhgate typically doesn't split one order across multiple cards. If your card's currency differs from the seller's, expect a small foreign exchange difference. That's another reason to keep a little extra on the card. When the 3D Secure prompt appears, quickly enter the OTP to complete the payment. If you're using a disposable virtual card, consider not saving it to your account for future use. If a payment is declined, double-check the billing address, 3D Secure availability, card balance, and international support, then try again. That's it. Convert, verify 3D Secure, and pay at checkout with matching billing details. You're all set to use your Visa gift card funds on Dhgate successfully.